Hello, welcome to Naim Pro. I am Naim. In this video, I am going to show you how to integrate Etsy with Printify. So first of all, we need a Printify account. I'm just creating a Printify account right now. You can look this URL naim.pro/Printify. I will attach this link on video description, so don't worry. You can look here, two options available, login and sign up. I'm new, so I need to sign up. I'll click sign up, and here I just need to put my email and a password, and then I just confirm I'm not a robot, and then I will click sign up. I have already an account, so I will click sign in, and now I will put my email and my password, and then I just click I'm not a robot, and then I will click sign in. Okay, it's my Printify dashboard. Look at right corner, here one option is available, add a new store. I just click here, and then I will connect my Etsy with Printify, so I will click on Etsy. Remember, you need to log in your Etsy before you log in your Printify. Otherwise, you need to log in now. I already logged in, so I don't need to log in now. I just click Etsy, and then it's automatic connected. And sometimes you need to accept Etsy and Printify terms and condition. You just click accept, you just approve this, then it will be connected automatically. So right now my Printify and Etsy is connected. So you can look manage my store, and you can look my Etsy store is connected. Here green signal is available. So right now I can upload product on Etsy by Printify. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.